welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are keeping yourselves healthy and safe. You know what I miss the most about this quarantine life? A good, relaxing massage. Like honestly, I can still order from my favorite restaurants and have it delivered, and I can still work out from home. I can do a lot of things from home, but it's so hard to replicate a massage from a professional. And that's what I miss the most. But luckily, before the quarantine, I get to experience a treatment that is kind of unusual and new to me, and that is getting myself professionally stretched. So I got a stretch from a place here in Toronto called B-Stretch Therapy. I will be putting all the details down below in the description bar. The person who actually performed the stretch on me is a doctor. He's actually a chiropractor and he's amazing. So what's the difference between a massage and a stretch?
Massage. So massage is more like hands-on soft tissue-based treatments. Stretching is more of a passive kind of like global stretching technique. Like we target the same muscles. It's not necessarily as specific as a massage would necessarily be, but from what we gather from our patients, you get a similar effect. Sometimes with massage, especially if it's deep tissue, you might find that it's like kind of bruising effect afterwards. With stretching, you'll get a similar or a benefit, like a soft tissue benefit, without feeling that bruising sensation. So that's why like I notice a lot of runners are, I would say, a little bit more inclined to get the stretching now versus the soft tissue, or like more the deep tissue massage. But it's a similar idea. Like we're both trying to target the fascia, and just a different way of manipulating the fascia. Okay. But yeah, one's more hands-on, the other one's more kind of passive, a little bit more global type of stretching. So lie on your back for me, feet pointed that way, and head on the there.
It's true, because I don't have to do anything.
And you'll find too, like, because it's passive, you can go deeper into a lot of the stretches by myself doing it versus you doing it. So you get a little bit more of a benefit from that. Because when you actively stretch, there's only so far that you can go because your nervous system won't limit you. But if you passively do it, the nervous system isn't like, engaged as much. So, and the breathing helps with that too. Like good, slow, controlled breathing helps the kind of turn off the nervous system a bit. That's why I get a lot of people that will come and they're like, I've always wanted to be stretched. Yeah. Like I just want somebody stretching me, but I didn't know it really existed.
True. Because I remember when I used to work out, the trainer would stretch me. I felt so good after. But when I do it on myself, I'm like, oh god, it's not the same. So I researched and then I found you guys. So who are your usual clients? Like
usual clients?
Those who are like buffs.
So it's like, I would say it's kind of 50-50 between like people who go to the gym regularly and like a lot of office type people. It's like 9 to 5, sitting at a desk for 6, 7, 8 hours.
I feel like here.
Yeah.
See, the sensations are the sensations that you won't feel with a massage, I feel like. Because like you're just lying straight, right?
And I find it's a little bit easier to, because like when I get massages sometimes, like especially if it's deep tissue, I feel like I'm cringing the whole time.
Oh, true.
Right, because it's like, it's pretty intense. This, I feel like you're able to relax.
It just release like the tension.
Push up into my hands.
Huh?
Push up into my hands with your knee. No.
Oh,
knee.
with my knee?
Yeah, so just push up. You got it.
Ooh.
And relax. Just low intensity, like a 3 at a time. this, you might feel hamstring here, maybe the back a little bit as well, depending.
It's like a good pain. Like it's a pain that you wanna feel.
Like we tend to hold the stretches, so it's not like a 10-second, 15-second stretch like what most people will do. Like we'll hold a position for like 30, 40, sometimes even like a minute.
So how did you learn about this? Is this like a physio thing or
So
specific?
Yeah, so the owners of the clinic, I got in touch with them before they opened up, and they like, I'm a chiro by trade. So they wanted it to be like a multidisciplinary clinic with an emphasis on stretching, right? So yeah, I took a stretching course, like a 1 week, pretty extensive course. And there's different like, levels to it as well. And yeah, so like all the therapists here are certified in stretching or do the stretching.
How do you like this? It's so good. Is it harder if you have a male client?
Not necessarily. It can be a little bit more taxing.
Yeah.
But the good thing is that like a lot of the motions, like for example, like your foot's resting like on my abdomen, so it's not like I have to physically hold it up with my arms. So it's a little bit easier in that sense. But they could be a little bit more challenging if it's a bigger person. Like certain stretches might be a little bit more difficult to do.
This is a lazy look up. I see what you mean. What should I do the next? So no heavy lifting after.
Yeah, so it's just stay away from heavy lifting for the next like hour and a half, 2 hours. Drink lots of fluids, so a lot of water, because the fascia is very water dense. So a lot of times people's tension can just be a lack of water intake. Shouldn't be in any discomfort. If there is a little bit of discomfort, it might be kind of similar to like slight muscle soreness after maybe working out a body part that you haven't worked out in a while. But you shouldn't feel like bruised or anything like that.
Okie dokie. Thank you.
So after being professionally stretched, what I love about it the most is that the next day I wasn't sore, because usually when I have a massage, the next day I'll have some bruises or some soreness. And with being stretched, you wouldn't feel any soreness the next day. You just feel more relaxed and more flexible. But I don't think that I will just pick either just a massage or just a stretch. I think that massages and stretches goes hand in hand, and if you do both, your body would truly love you. So yeah, that's my very unique stretch journey. I hope that you find this video informative, and if you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Thunder, 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 thunder.